Hi, I'm Megan, and this is my mom.
Hi, I'm Kim.
And today we're going to be unboxing our IPSY icon boxes. Are you ready?
Yes,
We're excited. We don't know what's in here, so let's get to it. So I'm going to give you yours.
Thank you.
That's your very own box, and I have my very own box. So we're going to open one thing at a time and see how we feel about the product, and then switch if we need to, okay?
I need my glasses. I can't see.
You want to go first?
I have the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Skin Cream Foundation and Finishing Powder Duo. Light medium number 2. That's the color.
The packaging on both of these are so pretty.
Nice.
It's literally, you can see the reflection back. This is the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. Let's open it up. This is crazy. This is a full size.
Wow.
Whoa.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, these are colors that I would use on a daily basis. For sure. It has like the perfect amount of shimmers and neutral colors, matte shades. This is a pretty complete palette. I feel like this is like the only palette you'll need. It has all the dark colors for more dramatic looks and neutral colors for everyday looks, and then shimmers to mix in there. So, ooh, I'm excited about this one. I think I'm gonna keep this one though. Oh, do you want to swatch some? Which one is calling your name?
I would do the deep dive. So I would do it at the end.
Maybe let's try it right now because she's going on a date night. Mine as well. So we're gonna go in with deep dive to kind of give her
Like a
an
definition.
yeah, some definition to
At
make
the
it look like
ends.
an eyeliner. High degree is this color is really calling my names.
Ooh.
Oh,
That's nice. So bronzy.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's very pigmented. I'm not even being dramatic. That's really pigmented.
That's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna swatch this too. Oh wow,
Very
that's
nice.
very bronzy.
Very nice. I like it. Ooh,
Oh wow,
it's pretty.
So this is like a copper and this is a bronze.
Very pretty.
It's very pigmented with no fallout too,
No.
which is nice. We're gonna go in with silk. Whoa. It's
like
literally reflecting
goddess.
back. I'm super excited to use this palette. So I think this just became my go-to everyday eyeshadow palette. This is so nice. And it has a built-in mirror, which is perfect. So we're already off to a really good start. The next thing my mom got is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner.
Tongue twister. Which I need because I have these spots on my face and my neck.
Sunspots.
Yes.
And freckles.
But unfortunately, age spots. So this would be good. Very good for me.
And it's a very trusted brand. You've used their stuff before, right?
Years, yes.
For years.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a tried and true for my mom. So she hasn't tried this product. You're excited to use it?
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
Anything to remove these spots? Yes.
So my next one is the Vacation Ink Chardonnay Oil. This is water resistant for 80 minutes and it has 30 SPF, and this is perfect because I'm literally leaving on a trip tomorrow. So I will be taking this with me, and I love everything from the brand Vacation, all of their sunscreen, all of their face sunscreen products, their body sunscreen. So I'm really excited to use this.
So this is the 111 Skin Anti-Blemish Booster.
I've heard everything from this brand is like really, really good. I love that everything is a full-size product. So this has, oh yeah.
It feels very nice, very smooth, silky. It feels silky. Wow.
Oh wow, that's really lightweight.
And
I don't like when serums feel too thick and
Yeah.
sticky, especially if you're gonna wear it like under makeup or anything. You don't want it to get too sticky.
It's soaked right in. I guess because I'm super dry.
Your skin. Next in my box is the Femu eye mask, and I feel like we're both gonna end up sharing this. Oh yeah, there's multiple packs in here. So we have the Aurora Dewy Mask Depuffing Revitalizing Eye Patches. So
Nice.
I guess you can get 2 of them. I wonder where we can
Sold.
buy these because I feel like I'm gonna like them a lot.
Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Lip Serum. And the shade is Petal Glow. Next I have Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Lip Serum in shade Petal Glow.
Ooh, I love the matte packaging. Oh, it's like clicks.
It clicks.
Oh, you love products like this. Like, it kind of is like a lip balm.
It's very soft. Very Sheer. I like it.
It's like definitely an everyday product.
A little tingle.
Oh. I kind of like products that do that. Oh, I feel the tingle now.
Just a
I
little
like
bit.
it.
Just a little.
But I like it. It's like refreshing and you feel like it's working. Ooh, so this is the First Aid Beauty. I love everything from First Aid Beauty. 0.3% retinol complex serum with peptides. I haven't tried this one from them. I've tried a lot of their other things, but I haven't tried this one. So I'm excited for this. Oh, this is designed for sensitive skin. So I actually might give this to you because my mom has really sensitive skin. I do too, but not so much. Okay, so it says in the evening, apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin. Ooh. So how to use it in the evening, apply a pea-sized amount to clean dry skin and follow with moisturizer. Limit initial usage to 3 times a week, gradually increase frequency to every night as tolerated. Because retinol is a really strong skincare ingredient, so you want to make sure your skin gets used to it. So I'm excited to use this. So of course this is dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance, which I love. I don't like artificial fragrances in my skincare. It doesn't need to smell like sunshine and rainbows. I just need it to work.
This is by Rosie Jane Layla Lou Eau de Parfum.
Ooh.
You like my French?
I think the best way for us to both smell it is I'm going to spray it in the air and we're just going to waft it
to you. It's very light.
Very light, very fresh.
Yes.
It's definitely like a spring summer scent. Okay. There's definitely some floral in there. So let's read the notes. I love to read the notes of the perfume. Layla Lou is pear, jasmine, and fresh cut grass. Was that what you were smelling? The pear?
I was smelling the pear.
Okay.
Yes.
It feels like your favorite jeans and a white tee on a casual, like every day. And I feel like this is like an everyday scent. Like it's very subtle and light, but it's really fresh too.
Yeah.
Like a fresh shower. Clean. It's a clean scent. Yeah. So next in my box is the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Drops. Some of my friends have recommended this product to me and I haven't got a chance to try it, but they literally said it's like sunshine in a bottle where you put this under your makeup or even without makeup and it just gives you that like nice, fresh, bronzy look. So I'm super excited to try it because I did not get a chance to yet. It's very liquidy, so I'm going to put it on this side of my hand. Oh, it looks really dark, but I feel like if you blend it out, it will just kind of settle into the skin. It's like a nice glowy tan.
This is the Kapari Beauty KP Body Bumps Be Gone Smoothing Body Lotion, which is really good because a lot of times after winter, you get all these bumps on your arms. And I think hopefully this will take it off. So,
oh, it has AHA.
Yeah,
which 3%. Is a skincare.
3% AHA.
And nice. And it's also dermatologist tested and it's for all skin types. So we're excited to use this. And the packaging is so cute. Step in my box, I have the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Precise Brow Pencil in the color Warm Brown. And this is perfect because this is actually one of my favorite brow pencils and I just ran out. So I'm excited to add this. I know, yes. Look at how good the applicator is. It's like a really thin angled applicator to really get those like hair like realistic brush strokes.
So this is the Rudis Bio Brew Fermented Leave-In Hair Serum for Damage Repair.
And we both have very damaged hair from like dyeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a spray bottle.
Spray 3 pumps about 2 to 3 inches away from the scalp. Massage gently, and you should be good to go. So will you be using this one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and I love how convenient it is that it's in a spray bottle. It makes it a lot easier. So this one is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Awakening Concealer. And I've actually used this once before. A makeup artist used it on me. And I was like, what is this? But I haven't had a chance to like go buy it myself. So again, I'm super excited. And I got my perfect shade. This is the shade 200. It's super creamy. Like it's definitely a buildable coverage one where I don't like it too thick where you put it on, you can't take it off. Like this is perfect. If you need a little more, you can add some more, but it's like the perfect buildable concealer.
Last but not least is Kosa's Blush is Life.
Hashtag blush is life.
The color is Butterflies. Cool baby pink. It's a very bright pink. Yeah, it's kind of like a little swirl.
Little swirl. I feel like my blush kind of went away. So let's try a little bit. So I feel like this is really pigmented. So I'm going to just do 2 light taps on here. And just... Oh, I see it now. It's definitely brightening for sure. This is definitely a brighter shade than I would usually go for, but I do like it. I usually go for like a peachy, more mauve color, but I do like this. It's cute.
Yeah. Girly.
Last but not least in my box is the Rodial Plumping Collagen Lip Oil. So last but not least from my box is the Rodial Plumping Collagen Lip Oil. And this is made with natural oils. So I feel like this is a really good topper for your everyday lip combo. Let's try it. Oh, it definitely has a shine to it. It's very nice and light. I don't really like lip oils that are sticky. This is really nice and light. Juicy. Okay, so that's everything in our icon box. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, it was fun getting all these products.
Yes.
And getting to try them.
IPSY's icon box is literally iconic. We have so many good products that we get to keep and try. If you want to have this experience on a monthly basis, subscribe to IPSY using the link in the description box below. Make sure you like this video and comment your favorite spoiler and subscribe to the channel to stay in the know. See you next time. Bye.